worrying about the backlog of cases in Shelby County's criminal courts? Well, tonight, the criminal court clerk, Heidi Kuhn, is talking exclusively with ABC 24 about how more help is finally on the way.
County commissioners gave her another significant chunk of change to hire 3 new positions that Kuhn says will speed up the process down at 201 Poplar.
ABC 24's Jay Shakur learned more about these new hires. How will they help our court case backlog, Jay?
Richard, the numbers shocked many of us how despite the Shelby County DA's office handling almost 47,000 cases a year, fewer than 50 actually went to trial last year. In previous years, Tennessee's largest county typically tried about 3 times that many cases. Court clerks help administer court cases in the system, but with the current backlog, I also talked to one Minfin who is taking it upon himself to inform and help those stuck in this system, especially if they've lost a loved one.
Item 7 is a resolution to amend the FY 2024 operating budget for the Criminal Court Clerk's Office.
More positions and hopefully more efficiency.
We want to make sure that these cases are going through the court system in an expeditious manner. When we only have one clerk in the courtroom, it can slow down that process.
Kuhn says the 3 new positions will help courts maintain court records, schedules, and the administrative matters for all 10 criminal court divisions. The work of clerks such as Kuhn often goes unseen in a slow court system, a system that C.L. Williams knows all too well.
As a victim, you want answers now. You don't want them later, you want them now.
Williams leads the Memphis chapter of Parents of Murdered Children. He told me he was inspired to get involved by Deborah Marion, the mother of murdered NBA star Lorenzen Wright, after watching her deal with a justice system that became too cumbersome for victims and their families.
When I met Deborah Marion, I met her way before they found out the real deal about her son. She did not really know how to maneuver through the system. The fact that her son was an NBA star, just think about a person who is less established than her. Just think about what they go through.
Now, hopefully Williams' work won't be needed by so many people once the clerk's office fills those 3 positions. By the way, another untold story in all of this is some progress Clerk Kuhn is proud of. She says there used to be a huge backlog of expungements in the system. That's when the records of some criminals are cleared after they've served their time to give them a second chance. The clerk says the number of expungements has gone from only 602 years ago to about 10,000 now. Back to you.